Guys, we came to the whole new place. We were exploring something over here. So no one is there. Only construction members are working over here. That's it. It feels like we are going to some illegal place and trying to explore things. This is a huge building that will be there constructed. ಸೂರಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೆಲ್ಸನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೆಲ್ಸನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಂಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಗಾಂಜಾ
ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು
ನಂಗೆ. ಎದುರ್ಬೇಡಿ ಯಾರು ಸಹ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೈ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಹೋಗುವ. ನೆಲ್ಸನ್ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿ ನೀನು. ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸೂರಜ್? ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ? ಹಾ ಹೇಳು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೌದಾ? 360. Yes, there is 360 over there. As I said guys, we are exploring some places in electronic city and we came to some construction site. So that's a Bosch company over there. You can see it over there. Yeah. So this construction site that's going. See my friend's reaction. Yeah, he's so excited to explore some places. And this is a big guy, Nelson Dikunna. This is how it looks. So we have came to the main highway. So we are safe.
English.
Yeah.
English is log on.
So what do you have any Suraj, do you have anything to say over here? How was
nothing much, bro.
How was the experience?
We survived this journey.
Yeah. Now we can take a breath over here. Yeah.
We thought we'll die.
Yeah. We explored some places where people don't even go. Yeah. So yeah. So do you want to say something, Suraj? Nothing. Why nothing? Bro, I should have taken the camera like this, bro. Taken the video like this. I have kept like this shit. The whole camera, whole vlog. Fine. Is it fine, bro? People will never watch this, bro. Why should they watch this shit? Yeah, we will explore some places. Can we go inside over there, bro? No? Ask. Yeah, we are vlogging.
Same.
So this is a highway, guys. Electronic City highway. So let me save the day over here. Bro, what's today's date, bro?
It's 11 January 2025.
Okay, bro. Nice, good.
Achieved.
What is doing, bro? Ajji Betty, what? You're just destroying my.
Your grandmother's.
Fuck you, bro. So how is it, bro? Electronic City. I'm taking around 10 minutes vlog, bro. Just keep on walking. Should I keep my camera like this, like the phone? What will other think about me, bro? Like if I hold like this, bro. Have some what? This vlog is what? Joke like la undu. Even my small audience will see this vlog, so behave properly. Don't say bavers in nam and a bedi. Sorry, ajji bedi anchapura. Balli, patarra balli.
Okay, cool, bro.
Hey, what are you seeing, bro? What? Should I show to them? Whoa, no. There is 360 over there. In that company, around 5 or 7 startup might work over there, right? Hey, like in Bosch, this Bosch, other companies may be there, right? Yeah, what are there, bro? What are all there? You don't know? Okay, bro. Wait. The screen brightness has been reduced to extend the recording time has reverted. What does it mean, bro? Bro, have some manners, bro. You're saying bojja. What?
Bojja. What's wrong with that word, man?
Bojja. Say the meaning of it, bro.
Bojja means like something which is happens after your death.
Yeah, you're saying
I
my.
think this is the entrance.
You're making bojja of me, okay?
This is not the entrance. Check here.
Yeah, we are exploring something over there, bro. Wow.
This is the entrance.
Wow, how is it? Is it
Wait, yeah.
psych? What do you want to say regarding this building? How is it, bro? Bro, police are there, bro. I don't know. I can record this or not. They have guns over there. I don't want to risk my life. So,
Opa.
should we go forward or what? Backward?
Back to home.
From where we came?
Cycle, bala.
India. ಅವು ಟ್ರೀಲ ಎಡ್ಡೆತ್ತಿಂಡದ ಒಂಜಿ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಡ್ ಉಂಡತ ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಪ್ಪುಂಡು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಡ್ ಅವು ಜನಕ್ಲು ಗೊತ್ತಂಡ ಇತ್ತೆ ನಿಕ್ಲು ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ Okay, we will sit here for around how many minutes?
How many?
How many hours? He is laughing at my English.
Aku போய் சேர்தான் தெரியல.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀನೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಬ್ಯಾಲನ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಎನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ತುಲೆ ಎಬ್ಬ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಜಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ದ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ನೆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಫಕ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ Wow, Suraj is not even coming in video. He is totally blackout. He's bro, smile, please. I want to see you smile. Wait, I will. ಸೈಕ್ ಇತ್ತುಂಡ್ಯಾ ಏತ್ಯ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಾರೆ ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಪೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಂಗಿದಾಯಗ್
ಏನಿನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬರೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ